Hey YouTube Quilters, it's Joe here. I have a mystery unboxing for you today. I don't know what this is. I think it's from the Fat Quarter Shop because it says that, but I don't know what subscription box it is that I get in an envelope like this. So I don't think I ordered anything, so it has to be a subscription box. So let's go ahead and unbox this, and you will be just as surprised as I am. Stick around. Alright guys, let's go ahead and let's unbox this mystery box. I know it's from the Fat Quarter Shop. Oh, okay, well this is just... It's from the Fat Quarter Shop. Maybe I don't need the knife, but I wanted it. It is... probably something. Oh, uh-oh. Oh. Let's see. This is the Holiday January 18 Fat Quarter Club Butterflies and Berries. Uh-oh. $29.98. Shipping was $4.95. And it's from the Fat Quarter Shop. And it looks like some Valentine's Day fabric. I will show you what it is. What do you get with it? You get, what does one get with it? Let's see here. Looks like there's 12 fat quarters. Okay. Go ahead and move this down, get kind of closer so you can see the fabrics. So we have some butterflies, some polka dots, some hearts, some flowers, some flowers. I said some flowers. I was like mumbling because I'm like, yeah, it's not cute. Strawberries. Because strawberries are totally in season and... Oh, I get it. Never mind. Strawberries, like chocolate covered strawberries, romantic, Valentine's Day. Hearts. More of this one. More of that one. Looks like there's different background colors. More of that one. More strawberries. Polka dot's not bad. I could see that being an accent somewhere. So that's that. No, not loving it. I think I might cancel. I forgot that I was even a member. Yeah, I'm not a holiday fabric person anymore. This is just... If anyone has 12 fat quarters that are like Civil War, old-time, traditional, that they want to swap for this, if you really want it, I will totally swap with you. Put a comment below or send me an email or whatever. All about swapping this because I'm never going to use it for anything. So yeah, if you have any traditional Civil War type fabrics, I'll swap with you because that is not my favorite thing. So this is going to be a short unboxing, not much in that except some fabric. I'm going to go ahead and probably cancel that today. Don't want to get surprised like that again. It's only $29.99, but that's still 30 bucks that I could use for something else. So that looks like it was the holiday monthly subscription or maybe quarterly subscription box for $29.99, and you got 12 fat quarters that were based around the holidays. So if you're not a holiday person, fabric, don't do it. But if you are, do it. If anyone wants to swap, let me know. All right, guys. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be having some more videos coming at you because I have a lot of unboxings to do. All right, bye.